In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram story white skin problem. If you're trying to upload a story to your Instagram account but you're immediately getting the white skin problem, then here's how you can fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so Instagram has the ongoing glitch. That's why you might be experiencing the white skin problem on the Instagram story. So now to fix the problem, all you have to do first thing first, simply go and open up the settings app from your phone and then scroll down to the apps section. Go and tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. Now go ahead and search for Instagram here. Tap on Instagram, and once you're here inside the Instagram app info, just need to tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, and tap on OK, and this will delete the cache from the application. And then go and tap on force to stop and force to stop the Instagram application. Now get back from here, and last thing that you need to do, just open up the Play Store and then go and search for Instagram here. And then tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. And once you do that, you just need to force close the application from the background like this, and then try to upload the Instagram story again, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.